Hey guys, we are here in Toronto on Omcan booth at the ADPV show, Canada. This is the first time that the Dragon oven is in Canada. Because this type of stone installed in the Dragon, they absorb the humidity of the dough. So the product at the end is more crispy and the quality belongs for a longer time. And we are able to cook the pizza or any other bakery product normally in 30% to 40% less time than normal conveyor oven. The oven can cook from 1 minute to 24 minutes. We cook also fish fillet, chicken breast, chicken wings, any type of meat, baked potatoes. Because the oven is static, we don't dry the product. So the oven is cooking exactly like if you cook in a normal deck oven. This oven is static conveyor stone, and the big difference is that we are not going to dry the product, and we are not going to dry the ingredient on top. So you will get your pepperoni that is perfect moisture, you will get your cheese, your mushroom that are perfect cooked without dry, not the dough, not the ingredient on top. We can rise to 450 Celsius, that is 840 Fahrenheit. And the way that we manage the temperature in this oven is innovative. So we are not giving to the elements or gas the on and off when we reach the set point. The moment we reach a set point, we just give a percentage of the power. So even the power consumption is almost 20 to 30% less than any other oven. We have two different temperatures on top, from the entrance to the middle of the oven and from the middle to the exit of the oven, and one bottom temperature. What is the benefit to have two different temperatures on top? In many types of products, also pizza, for example in a Napolitan or many other pizza that has very high hydration, we are able to cook from the entrance of the pizza to the middle with very high temperature so the dough can grow. From the middle to the exit, we just lower the temperature so we can cook the ingredients in a better way. So at the end, the result is always perfect.